A very good morning to all. This is a full stack single page calendar application where an admin can schedule the teachers and batches in an appropriate manner. Okay, so let's see its features. This is a single page web application, like you can schedule any date, anything. It will and this will show the update. That is, I'm recording this on 26th. Okay, so let's see its features, how it is going to schedule the update. Suppose I am going to schedule for the Tuesday, and one more thing, that is by clicking on the day, like on a particular day, we can schedule it on day wise, weekly, as well as yearly and monthly, right? So by clicking on the particular day, there are three options, right? There are three options we get. We can schedule it by day, on the day basis, like today, right? Today, on a particular day C, there are certain schedules are already made, right? On the basis of weekly, as well as on the basis of time slots. Suppose I'm going to add a new batch on the given time slot, right? Suppose 13:28, then 11 or 13, or for 14:29. Okay, by clicking on this add but submit button, the particular schedule is scheduled. See, 13:28, 14:29, right? We can even edit that by clicking on the edit button. 13:29. Suppose I am going to extend the schedule to 18, right? By clicking on the submit, it is going to be rescheduled. See, it is going to be rescheduled. Suppose I'm going to delete any schedule on my respective batches, right? By clicking on the delete button, it is successfully deleted. Message pop-ups, and it is going to be updated dynamically on the dashboard. Similarly for the month, we can update any schedule. Like suppose for the July, we are going to update it, right? By clicking on the submit button, clicking OK, it is going to update. See, nearly batch to July 2021. On any schedule, we can even delete as well as edit. By clicking on the edit button, it is going to be edited. Suppose I am going to schedule the batch to the March, right? Then I can do this easily. By clicking on the edit button, we can easily do this. See, and even we can delete this particular batch whenever it is required. It is going to delete it, right? We can even use the search button to search the appropriate batches, right? Similarly, on the day or respective, you can also search the search button, right? So let's come to the particular year. Let's schedule a new year, right? Suppose a batch to 2021. Okay, by clicking the submit button, this particular thing is scheduled. Batch to, even we can delete it and edit as well. Suppose we are going to edit it. Suppose make it 2022. We can also edit it. We can also edit the batch as well. No issues. Like the edit button, say it is dynamically updated. Even we can edit this particular batch. Suppose this will be batch 2, okay, and this will be 2020. Even the teacher's name I'm going to change, sort of Das, right? By clicking the submit button, we are going to update it, and even we are going to search it, right? We are going to search it, whether you are given any letter, whether it is only in lowercase or in uppercase, it is going to be searched quite efficiently. Similarly, in all the cases. So here is our application. We can update, delete on the basis of the day, right? On the basis of the day. Suppose on the basis of the day, suppose 2nd July, I'm going to see the 2nd July options only, okay? And on the basis of 3rd July, 4th July, see, there are no schedules. On the basis, suppose an admin has the flexibility to update, reschedule, delete, as well as perform any kind of operations required. Suppose I am going to schedule anything from July, right? You can also update it on the basis of the July as well, like batch name, batch 2, from it, make it and just 1 minute. Like we can also schedule it weekly as well. Like we can also schedule it weekly by clicking by not clicking any of the buttons. We can schedule it weekly as well. See, from Monday to Saturday, this batch is going to be scheduled. Okay, depending on the time slot and anything. We can also delete it. Okay, even we can also update it. So thanking you, this is the whole application. Thanks a lot. uh, Thank you.